program which reads a string and prints yes if all of its characters are same. Otherwise prints no. Main theme behind the program is as follows. We'll traverse the string character by character till we enter the null character, and we compare each character with the first character, that is 0th character. Each character is same as 0th character, that is first character. Then we will increment a counter value by 1. Of course, the counter value is initialized to 0. After traversing the string, if we find the counter value C, that is how many of the characters of the string are same as the first character, if that is same as the string length, that is I, then we print yes, otherwise we print no. We have already understood that I value indicates the length of the string. This we understood in our previous example. As usual, stdio.h is included, main is defined. The string variable x is declared, and also the variables I and C are declared. C value is initialized to 0. Here C we are taking as a counter to indicate how many of the characters of the string are same as first character. The following printf statement asks the user to enter a string. The scanf statement reads a string into the variable x. The while loop is written such a way that each element of the string will be taken and compared with the first character, that is the 0th character. If any element is not same as the 0th element, that is the first element, then we will come out from the while loop, then we can print no. If all the elements of the string are same as first element, then we will come out from the while loop because of the while expression is false. That is, when x of I is equal to null, we will come out from the while loop. Once we come out from the while loop, we will compare whether x of I is equal to null or not. If it is equal to null, then we say the string is having that property, thus we will print yes, otherwise we will print no. Let us try to simulate this program. We assume that the string entered by the user is Rama. We assume initial value of I is 0. Currently, x of I is R. That is, I value is 0. Thus, x of 0 is R. That is symbol lowercase r. Symbol lowercase r. Is it not equal to null? Yes. Thus, the loop control goes to loop block. That is, the block of statements will be executed once. X of I, that is R. X of 0, it is also R. Obviously, first character will be same as first character only. Thus, we will not be coming out from the while loop. Again, loop control comes to while expression evaluation. Currently, I value is 1. X of I, that is lowercase a, is it not equal to null? Yes. Thus, the while loop is going to get executed once more. X of I, currently I value is 1. X of I is lowercase a. X of 0, lowercase r. Lowercase a, is it not equal to lowercase r? Yes. Thus, we will be coming out from the while loop. That is, break statement will be executed. Then, x of I is it equal to null, condition will be tested. That becomes false. Thus, we will be getting the message no on the screen. We expect no from this program. We are getting no from this program. Thus, it is working. Program which